Hey guys, it's Abe and welcome to my first cooking show. Today I'm cooking my very own cookies. I call them MonsiCookies. Things you'll need are
3 eggs, 1 cup of brown sugar, half a cup of butter, half a cup of M&M chocolate chips and 1/4 cup of raisins, 2 teaspoons instant coffee, 2 ounces of Nutella, 10 ounces of peanut butter, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of superfine sugar, 4.5 cups of oatmeal flour with 2 teaspoons baking soda and half a teaspoon of salt.
You'll also need a stand mixer with a paddle attachment. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. First, you whisk all the dry ingredients together and set it aside. Okay, next, heat the butter and sugars together and beat the butter and sugar on low medium speed. Next, add Nutella, coffee, peanut butter, and vanilla, and also add eggs one at a time. Now add 1/4 cup of oatmeal at a time. When you're finished with the half of the oatmeal, start to add 1/4 cup of candies and raisins. Now place cookies on the tray with parchment paper. After you're finished scooping, now press the cookies down with a fork. After you're done pressing, put this in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Let these cookies stand in the oven for 3 minutes. Cool completely on a wire rack. After you cool them, now you can enjoy these cookies.
What are you gonna do now? I think I'm gonna be a priest. Okay? I'm Tyrone!